Hello, my name is Jabulani and I've been a plumbing expert at Chamberlain Valley since 2016. Today we'll be discussing about the geysers that we sell at Chamberlain store. Now a geyser is a water cylinder that's got an element and a thermostat. So the element in a geyser, it uses to heat up water, and then the thermostat, it is there to control the temperature of the water. At Chamberlain's, we've got two brands, which is Quicot and Ariston. All the geysers that we sell only comes with a safety valve and a drain cock. Other components like your vacuum breakers, your pressure control valves, your copper pipes and the copper fittings, you have to buy them separate. Now it is important as a customer to know that Chamberlain's only sell the brand but doesn't cover the warranty. Make sure that you get a qualified plumber who's going to issue a certificate of compliance after the geyser installation. The sizes of the geyser that we sell is 100 liter, 150 liters and a 200 liters. And they come in 400 kPa and a 600 kPa. A useful tip will be to buy a geyser blanket to prevent extra heat loss. For more expert advice, visit any of our 9 branches in Gauteng, where a friendly expert will be ready to assist. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.